What's up YouTube? It's your boy Wes. I'm back at you another video. Today I got that Overland tailgate pad from Fox and I'm gonna install it and do first impression on it. Let's do it. So right out of the box, one thing I noticed is kind of weird is that this pad looks exactly like the race face pad, almost identical. And then I get it this morning and there's a race face sticker. When I got my handlebars, they put from race face, I got the exact same sticker on there. So I found that kind of weird, but I wonder if they're the same company or race faces make, I don't know. But comes in a nice packaging. I can already feel like it's heavy duty. Here, let me bring you guys. So this material over here looks very nice and soft. There's the the pads too for your handle and backup camera. I think these are the extended straps for e-bikes. Nice little packaging. Flip it upside down. Oh, these pads feel nice. Alright. I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse and we're gonna install this thing and I'll see how it looks after. See, with the Dodge Ram, this is my third tailgate pad, but because I have this extended things, I'm pretty sure Ford does the same thing. So apparently this kind of design, you have these straps here and you can adjust it according to like your truck. So we'll see how this works out. Hopefully it works out better than my other pads I got, but I'll be back. Alright, so we almost have this thing installed. It's kind of a little bit pain in the bum, but because this, I don't know, I think race face have like a harder material here so you can fish it through easier. So I'll show you guys my little struggle. They have Velcro on the inside of here, I'm not sure why, but one nice touch, they have these things, keep that tidy. But gotta fish it through the bottom and then crush your hand a little bit and then, ow, there we go. And then from the top, try to do this with one hand. These are nice and these are metal, not plastic, so that's a nice touch. You gotta put it from there inside. And fish it through there. So now we gotta line this up where it's almost, where's the edge? All right here. So I think maybe something like this, I'm not sure, but let's tighten these up a bit. You gotta open this up. So change the camera angle. So we gotta line this up, tighten them up. Not sure exactly how to line it, but once I close this, okay, my Ram has a Ram box, and if you guys don't know what that is, it's these compartments over here. So far this is interfering with this, so I'm not sure what to do about this, but I'll see if I can figure it out. Okay, that's about center. Yeah, like you can see there. Okay, so I figured out the best thing is slam it. So it kind of squishes these. I'm thinking about maybe cutting them, but before doing that, I want to make sure I like how this thing is. So far, this is good. There's a lot of protection for the down tube. I don't know the strap. They seem okay. It holds strong, high quality. So yeah, and I had this thing like this. I wonder how the backup camera will work, but yeah, it should be fine. All right, you guys, I'm gonna be loading up my Roscoe. The first impression, I love these pads. That really gets to protect that. That's awesome. My old pad, this was constantly, because of the Rams, there's like an edge up here, around here, so it's constantly hitting, and thank God it didn't scratch my truck, but I was like, I had to do something better about that. So we got that. Made my own protection kit, so I was able to tape up some for the down tube. But even though there's a lot of foam here, on the down tube, but I don't know, this material is kind of grippy, so I could see it moving around and eventually wear down some paint, but it seems very secure without me even putting this strap on. Oh wow, that's not going nowhere. So maybe if you're turning like crazy from the rear end, the bike will do this, but let's check how the backup camera is. So if you can live with that, then you'll be fine. Honestly, it's not too bad. You can at least just see a little bit. It's better than not be able to see nothing. Alright, you guys, so my overall impression on this, I love the material. It feels very high quality. Definitely worth $230 Canadian. And then, but, so if you have a Dodge with Ram box, make sure you're probably gonna have to order the mid-size truck. This is a full-size truck one, and honestly I think I should have definitely got the mid-size. I was really debating. I did a lot of measurement, but they didn't have measurements from here to here, so I was just hoping, because my other one was not clearing where this is, so I had to like, it was just very annoying. I had to like move it and stuff, but it was a lot thinner here, so I was able to like bend it and still worked. But with this, when it hits this, that's kind of annoying. So I'm thinking about probably gonna end up cutting this. I just hope the material underneath is the same material as this, or same material as this, which it should be. It would make sense, but you never know. And for now, I'm honestly, I don't care. I'm okay with slamming my thing until these rip up, maybe, before I lose it. But it closes. I love the orange Fox. You can see my favorite color is orange. Pedals, my Jeep all the way over there. But yeah, this is a good product. I'll definitely recommend it. I like how it goes around this. No issues. Over here it's covered, and over here you can kind of bend it and adds more protection. Why not? And I'm already getting it dirty, but I guess I'll get dirty real quick. But probably be easy to wash off. So far I give this some thumbs up. Definitely recommend. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this very helpful, because I was looking for a lot of information of anybody that installed this on a Dodge Ram with a Ram box. I couldn't find anything. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Peace.